Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. Well, not quite correct. It's the it's the puzzle page. Not in today's newspaper of Monday, October the 9th, 2023. I've told you in today's newspaper we have only two regular puzzles, tectonic and medium Sudoku. No additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. Saturday, October the 7th, we have in this puzzle page two puzzles left, the 3-star Sudoku and the binary. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional of the Sunday. But let me solve this one first. The 3 stars Sudoku number, this will be number 7239. 7239. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 28 printed digits. Yeah, 28 printed digits. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, should be at 0 stars. For 0 stars, need to be faster than 15 or 14 minutes. If it's really a 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with 8. A lot of 8s. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. 4, 3, 6. 4, 3, 6. Oh, yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 6. The 3, the 4, and the 6 in this row. So no 3, 4, and the 6 in these 3 boxes. 3, 4, and the 6 goes in those 3 boxes. As a triplet, yes. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. And look, we have 3 in this row. Middle row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left, 1, 3 should be there. So the 4 and the 6 are left. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 6 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here are 5 in this column, so no 5 there. So the only place level 5 should be here. So the 1 and 2 are left. Let me mark those 1 and 2. Alright. How about the 5 now? 5, 5. Yeah. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here, 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in this row, last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. You see 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. Alright, need a 4 here, need 8 here. Then, let me see. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in the third column. So no 1 and 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. And so we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Let me see. Oh, well. Yeah. These are two missing numbers in this row. For numbers the 1 and the 2, 3, 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7, 2, 9. 7, 2, 9. Okay. And now. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the matter. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for the master. 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes elevated 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then need a 9 here. Need 8 here. And I need 3. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. Well, I need a 3 here. In this column, one of the missing number in this column is number 3. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 there. The only place left for 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. Third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only place left for 2 should be there. Then, let me see. 2. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. That means 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4, 4, 4, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. In this big square should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 in the column next. No 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. It's number 1, number 4. How about the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Well, we have 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So this box can be 7 and more. That box will be a 7. And this box will be a 1. 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So this box can be 6 and more. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in the last row. 2 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Then two missing numbers in this big square for the Mr. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Two missing numbers in this row for the Mr. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the Mother 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then 3, 8, 9. How about the 3 and the 9? Come on. 1. 9. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 in these two boxes. Here 9. This column. No 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 and 9. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the first row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the Mother 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 and a 1, we have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. Then 1 box left in the first row for the Mother 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 and a 7, we have a 6 in this middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so no column next. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the Mr. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the Mr. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 14 or 50 minutes for a 0 stars. Not quite a 3 stars puzzle. If it's going too fast, you can rewind this and watch it again. Well, maybe I'm going faster and faster each time because I'm practicing, yeah. Daily practice continues. Alright, I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. In this puzzle page, we have 1 puzzle left in this puzzle page, the binary. See you then. Bye-bye for now.